Hi guys, we are not just Kalita. I'm not just Kalita, I'm owner. I am also a Roblox player. Mrs. in Pearson, you can find me on Roblox.
And me and my friend over here.
We all play Roblox,
We all.
and I will give gems in 99 nights out sometimes on admin abuse if you guys join me. So I'm gonna give gems out.
Are you gonna make admin abuse?
Yes, I will. As that, I'll be giving gems out, not just gems. I will also be giving
Lucky blocks.
lucky blocks. I will give secret lucky blocks out and Robux. This was playing but yes, and Robux. So if you join me, I will be giving you Robux.
And you? You want to know? You avatar.
Yeah. So yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye guys. This is the Claytime Club. We don't have everyone here yet, so yeah.
Peace.
And I want to give a massive shout out to Mila. She just dropped the slime, guys.
Mila slime.
Yeah, Mila's got candy. Yeah, Mila. And hello, Asala. So, yeah, we want to give out two shout outs. Mila, congratulations. And Sailish, also congratulations. You made it onto Netflix.
Make
also.
sure every time you have Robux. She makes skincare also.
Yeah, she has a new skincare. Congratulations also for that. So, yeah, Mila, we all believe in you and Sailish. Bye, guys. Peace.